beautiful people who have decided to be here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Kenyata here, and welcome back, y'all. Thank you for rocking with your girl. Okay, now I know a lot of the beautiful ladies and fellers who support me over here on the YT been low-key checking for your girl, and I have been MIA, and there's a reason that I've been MIA, and this video right here is just to update you guys. 2018 was the year of years, or oh my goodness. 2018 was like whoop, up and down. So much happened in 2018. I have to do this review for you guys because anyone who watches my videos know that I just started my channel last year, the beginning of last year. I started my channel at the end of January, beginning of February, and I was just like, I'm really, I don't want to toot my own horn, but beep, boop, boop. Your girl is A1 when it comes to these looks, okay? And I also have other talents as well, but I was like, Kenyata, you cannot be this nice and not share it with the world. I mean, I've always been nice with locks. I've been doing locks for like 15 years, been doing hair all of my life. I literally know how to do everything when it comes to hair, but I just specialize in locks. That's what I do. That is my lane, and I'm chilling. Lane chilling, so it was like, okay, you can be nice and you ain't sharing with nobody, so who the hell cares? So in that time, so that's what prompted me to go ahead and start sharing. Okay, I decided that I was going to start uploading videos onto YouTube sharing my hairstyles, and when I started I was nervous AF, but I was like, I'm just gonna do this, and I rolled with it. And I uploaded my first video, half lock fro, and now I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I did not expect to get the love that I had received, okay? I was just like, I'm just gonna share, and whatever happens, happens. But I started uploading videos, and I started getting love, and I was just like, wow, people are actually watching my videos. So I just kept on, uploading videos and showing you guys whenever I did my hair. And the more I did, I really realized that this is something that I actually want to do. Like, I'm having real fun. Why the hell haven't I been doing this all along? Like I should have been doing this, but we don't have time to worry about that. You're doing it now, so let's get into it. And I was into it, girl, into my groove thing. And then the bottom fell out, girl. Woo. If you saw my video March 2018, the bottom fell out. Yes, it did just that. And I did not see this coming. I was completely blindsided. I did not know that I would end up having to move abruptly, all of a suddenly, unexpectedly. I just was like, had this serious situation. So I had to move. It wasn't a situation where it was financial or anything like that, because I had been in my place for a very long time. I had planned on being there for a very long time. I had no intentions of moving until like the near future, when I felt like I was ready to go ahead and put the down payment on my first home and whatnot. But I had to move, and I was really sad. I was really sad when I had to move, because I had been in my place for almost 5 years, and I was very comfortable. But the situation was a situation where I was like, no, got to chuck up the deuces, boo. And that's exactly what I did. Chucked up my deuces. I bounced, got out of there, because I just couldn't stay. I'm not gonna go into details, but I had to roll. And I was just like, so many things was going through my head, like, finally I'm like doing in my heart what I feel I should be doing, and I'm in my groove thing. I think I found my niche. I'm having fun, I'm doing my thing, my thug dizzle, and the goddamn bottom fell out. Like literally the bottom fell out. But once I moved, I was just like, you know, I was sad, and I couldn't figure out for the life of me, like, why is this happening to me right now? Like, out of all the times that this could have happened, it's happening right now. But, you know, I really loved, my heart was really into what I was doing, and I just really felt tested. I felt like, you know, okay, now what are you gonna do? You said that you want this. This is what you want to do. Is this all that it's going to take for you to stop? So I just came to the conclusion that, you know, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what happens. I'm going to do what I love regardless, you know? So I was just like, I'm just going to keep it moving. You feel me? I am going to have to make the best out of what I have. And I did just that. I kept it moving, and I continued to make videos. I made my little setup in my new space where I was living. I had to sublet a place for temporarily until I found this place where I'm gonna be for some years. And I wasn't happy. The thing is, I wasn't happy in the space where I was, because I was very used to, you know, where I was living, and in this new place, it wasn't bad, but I just wasn't comfortable. I wasn't comfortable with the neighborhood. I just wasn't happy where I was, and it affected my energy a bit, but I was determined not to quit and not to let it affect me in a way where I let this situation have the best of me. So I just kind of like let it go down to the wayside, and I stayed focused on my goals, which was continuing to do YouTube, as well as getting me and my son the hell up out of that neighborhood. And you guys know that I had the red background at that time when I was living there. I had the red background, and that was my setup. Y'all say my setup. You have to y'all say the setup. To me, at the time, I thought that, you know, everything was so bad and I was going through so much, and you know, it was real. But looking back at it, like right now, I can also see the blessings of 2018, because it wasn't all bad. One of the first blessings that came in 2018 was the realization to start this channel. The second blessing was the love that I received from you guys in response to the videos that I was uploading. I was so surprised, happy, and grateful. And the third is, well, we're going down the list, girl. I got the list. I got my gratitude list on deck. You heard me. And the third was me realizing how much this made me happy, and realizing how much connecting with you guys really meant to me. And I just couldn't figure out why I hadn't been doing this all along. Like, why am I just starting this? So that was a great blessing. My heart smiles whenever I do YouTube, and just whenever I get love from you guys. Yes. And the fourth blessing was the hunger, okay? Going through those trials and tribulations really just gave me a hunger and made me realize how much I really want to do this. Because I could have easily became discouraged and just quit, but I was determined not to. So I just kept on going, because I knew that it didn't matter what happened. I was gonna always continue to do what I love. This made me happy, so I did what made me happy. And even though there was times where I wasn't able to do it as much as I wanted to, I still found the time to do it when I did have time. I just want to share this with you guys. Just because something happens, you feel me, don't let it get you down, you know, because things are always going to be happening. If it ain't one thing, it's going to be another, you know what I mean? So don't let what happens on the outside govern your internal condition, how you feel on the inside, because you have the power to choose how you are going to react to any situation that happens in your life, okay? And you can react in a way where it takes your power away, or you can react in a way where you take your power back. I believe that is all I have for this video today. I'm going to stop, because I'm talking your head off at this point. I just want to say I am grateful for all of you guys. Thank you so much for rocking with your girl. 2019 is going to be a great year for us over here at Locs by Kenyata. So don't forget to hit the like button, alright? Turn on your notifications. Backhand slap that bell like it stole something from you, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Rock with your girl.